el taller. Hay momentos en la vida que no tenemos este momento o oportunidades de diferentes maneras de pensar y de sentir. Nos desconectamos totalmente de esto, de tener otra vez, de reanimar lo que somos como seres humanos y espirituales. Además estamos enfocados, como lo dije, esto nada más lo vivo en comunidades porque eso es ellos, ya lo traen. Pero en las grandes ciudades te absorben y pierdes esta manera de pensar, de convivir, de reactivar tu, tu fortaleza espiritual. Es eso, y eso es nada más hacia interior. No hay muchos espacios de estos talleres. Y lo agradezco mucho. Nunca dejo de pensar con lo que yo pienso, de lo que aprendí con esto, cómo podemos ayudar a la humanidad para volverlo bien. Para ayudar al humano y mejorar nuestra calidad humana, necesitamos compartir, expresión. Expresión es para mí el arte. Luchar es constantemente, día tras día, nunca vencerse. El respeto y amor hacia unos otros de nuestras diferentes especies que somos como humanos, como de lo que es cada quien, y tener esa humildad y tener esa dignidad siempre como seres humanos que somos. Eso es lo que nos hace falta.
Gracias, Howard.
Amigo. The thing that I got from this workshop is that one thing that we always talk about, how we lose in our community, and this kind of things help us to go back to that, to not just create friends, but create a sense of community, and we need that. We need that, especially nowadays. And my message is pause, stop, observe, and love. Sometimes we live in a rush during routine work and everything. We're always back and forth. But when you stop and just listen and you observe, then you find love in the small things. Like we were observing that bee eating the banana. She was probably having a feast right there. So just love small things, and that will help you just create a more, not just community, but also protect our environment and everything that's around us.
Thank you, Eagle.
So what I take out of the workshop is a sense of hope that we have other people that are like-minded, that are interested in spiritual and natural things around us. So I do appreciate seeing that. That's really important to me. And my message is to always remember that we are related to nature, even if that relationship is unseen. It's always there, surrounding you.
Thank you, Kat.
I just like the whole thing about community, bringing us together. That there was chalk for my baby to play with. That was probably one of the ones. So thank you. Thinking about the children and just the diversity amongst who we are here, to be able to come together and to share that, and how we all need to start taking time to come together to make change. Because I think in this busy life, we're so busy, worried about self, and hey, I gotta do this, like you said. I think that's the one we all can agree on, that we're so busy, and not just busy with our lives, but I think sometimes too busy, like pointing out our individualism and how you're different and you're different, and instead of taking the time to realize how we're really the same, and the problems that is affecting all of us is not gonna just affect you. It's not gonna affect just the heron or the ocelot or the spider. It's gonna affect us all together. So we need to start coming together to make a difference. Because as individualists, this fight it's really sad, the destruction we're making to the earth, that is affecting all these animals and all of nature. And until we still realizing that we all need to work together, it's really not looking good.
Thank you, Spider.
What I got from the workshop was just a reaffirmation, I guess, of our connections, going down, as small as the microbiome, but as small but ever present, and as the ocelot that has to cross the border wall, and there's all this strife that's out there right now, but we can still make these connections and work in the in the interest of justicia ambiental or environmental justice, climate justice, all these things. But doing it here, it was wonderful to just talk about these little things. The bee was great.
Thank you, Microbiome.
Are you gonna go there? What I got out of this workshop is coming together as a community in unity. And going back to what Spider said, is that we, we're so busy with our lives, and we have to come together and stay grounded within ourselves. But at the same time, we're all resilient. And coming, like I said, coming together as one. Thank you.
Thank you, Helen.
I learned from this workshop how interconnected we are as people, and also how interconnected we are with nature. What I'd like to, I guess, tell the humans or us is, live life with empathy and compassion, and live it passionately.
Thank you.
What I got out of this is it was really nice to break out of the silos that everyone finds themselves in. Everyone's siloed in their own environment, their own culture, their own job, their own whatever, all the silos, and everybody kind of just went out and met with people from lots of different groups, and that was nice. As a tiger, I guess, tigers right now are endangered because of their inability to adapt quickly to the changing of nature, the changing the environment, and both in your job, in your life, and from a very real perspective from nature, humans better learn to readapt, or else you're going to go down the same path.